back, guys, with another video. It's been quite a long time, and I'm going to be going into detail where I've been. I'm also going to be showing you guys some new things that are going to be put on the queue in today, actually. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so where have I been? So basically, I don't know if you guys know this, but on April 9th, 2020, my father ended up passing away from COVID, unfortunately. And it just so happens that on April 9th, 2024, I actually hit my 1,000 subs. And it just it hit it on that specific day. And yeah, it was a really hard time, but it was an exciting time for me at the same time. And I just was going through a lot of personal things, and I'm still going through a couple personal things right now, but it's slowly getting better. And I don't really want to bore you with all these other details, but basically I'm better now, and I'm excited to continue making more content for you guys. But yeah, let's get right into what we got going on this table right here. Let's get into it. Alright, so what do we got going on this table? We have the finished tune finally. So this should be, I was at 1.5 bar for boost. Now I asked Alex to turn it up. I finally got the exhaust all situated, and so yeah, this is the final tune. This said should be all maxed out here. And as for shifting a little later, he's talking about my Cybex controller, so I'm gonna also be updating the shift points on my Cybex controller. So yeah, gonna be downloading the finished tune tonight, and as well as installing this. So I've been recently focusing on a lot more weight reduction, and because power to weight means a lot, and our Q60s are very heavy. So yeah, I've got the anti-gravity battery. Shout out to my cousin, and I'm gonna be installing those today too. Then for a separate video, I got a box over there, but that's gonna be a separate video. I'm very excited to show you guys what's in that box. But yeah, this is what I got going on right now. I'm gonna be throwing this on the car, both of these today, and let's see what kind of times I do now. What's going on, guys? Right now I'm in the back of John's truck. As you can see in the huge ass Ram logo behind me. I'm here with John and Stitch. What's up, guys?
Oh, what's good, y'all?
Yeah. We're about to go pick up a carbon fiber hood for John's M3. But yeah, so we're gonna be heading to Jersey now, and I'll get back to you once we get there. What did you say?
I want you right next to me, bro.
Oh, bro.
Put my hand on your lap.
There's no way I'm fitting
bro,
there.
you're
With
not
my
that
long
big.
ass string bean legs, bro.
Yeah,
Legs
bro,
is
one
straight
here,
tall.
one here.
Yo, I'm not fitting there.
What is that?
You're bugging.
Oh, shit.
Alright, guys, we just pulled up to the spot. Alright, we're just unboxing it now. Making sure there's no cracks or anything on the hood. Yeah, that looks great. Yeah, this shit is fire. Alright, so what y'all think about that hood?
Immaculate. No
Nah, it was
shit.
brand new.
Brand new.
There was no defects.
ceramic coated though.
How much you got it for?
11.
$1,100. That's not bad. That's like the average price of a brand new one.
But it's brand new box. And
Hey, yo,
everything.
where are we going to eat after this?
The Brownstone Pancake Factory.
Yo.
I'll put y'all on.
Yo, I can't wait.
Swell.
We're gonna cut to go in there now. Alright, so we just arrived at the spot. Oh, we were at Brownstone Pancake Factory. This shit is supposed to be really fire. So. Okay, so after analyzing this menu for 30 minutes, I came to the decision I want to get this. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Churro French Toast. This man orders coffee, just all this creamer, all this sugar.
Bro, we're gonna stir it.
Bro, and we're just chilling. We're just chilling with a hot chocolate right now.
It's perfect.
Oh god. So essentially, they've just resorted to giving Stitch all the cream they have in their stock.
And all the sugar.
And all the sugar. That's crazy. Yo, people want to be smoking hookah in their V's, bro.
My man's got the fucking cigar, nigga. That's the OG.
Yo.
It's like my. Oh.
That's crazy.
Get the fuck out the way.
I smelled the hookah.
The coal, yeah.
Yeah, the coal.
They don't see anybody.
What?
Fuck your mother.
It's mad head fuel. Why would they? Alright guys, I just want to show you a comparison between my OEM battery and the new anti-gravity battery. I'm going to be weighing it right now, and when I install this and I take out the battery I currently have, I'll weigh that one and we'll do a comparison about how much weight I saved between both of them. So right off rip, let's see. That's what you get. It has 970 cranking amps, and that's more than enough to not have to worry about this battery stranding you anywhere. A lot of drag cars, street cars, you name it, run this lightweight battery. I did a lot of research on it. It's one of the best you can buy, and let's get right into weighing it. So, let's see. As you can see, I can literally grab it with one hand. That just goes to show you how heavy this battery is. Let's see. So, on the website it says it weighs 7 pounds, and in real life it weighs 7.2. So I think the OEM battery that comes with the Q60 weighs like 50 something to almost 60 pounds. So that's like almost 50 pounds, more than 50 pounds of weight reduction. It's a lot. So I'm gonna get right into the install now. All right, here's a little cold start for you guys. I know you haven't seen her in a while. Alright, so I just flashed the new tune. Program sequence has completed. Now time to install that battery. So I got everything set up for the install. Now I'm gonna remove this side of the shroud so I can get to the battery and get right to work. Alright, so I'm about to finish taking off the shroud right now to gain full access to the battery. I think that's it, yeah. So we got some wiring for the flex fuel kit in here as well, so let's just be careful not to put anything like that. So this screw right here is a 10 millimeter. It should be the same on both sides. So what I usually like to do, I put a rag over this so that it makes no connections with any type of metal. So this battery is the Optima yellow pack, and I think it weighs around 50 something pounds. So we'll see when I bring it back to the house and weigh it on the scale. Batteries are so much smaller than the average battery. It actually needs its own bracket, and yeah, let's put this on. You look over here, you could hook it into this part right here, but on the other side there's no area to hook it onto, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. All right guys, so Stitch and Bebo pulled up, helped me out. Stitch think he a pro boxer now.
Muay Thai. Especially.
Muay Thai, oh my bad. So yeah, we got the terminals on now. So basically you put in the metal, there's like these little metal squares right there. You slide them into this little port over here, and then they came with the terminals and a screw that goes down and screws into those metal little pieces right there. So we're gonna have it close because that's where it's gonna hook up into the car. And yeah, we're gonna hook it in and then we're done. All right, we got the battery hooked up and we had to jump start it just to give it a little juice. It's at 14 voltages. Stitch about to start it up. Go ahead, Stitch.
Yeah.
It's on the new tune too.
Our dirty platform.
He's stupid.
2.0.
Alright, battery's finished. Completely done. Tune installed. Let's see what it hits for now. And John also pulled up. Say what's up. Yo, John, say what's up.
What up, gang? What up?
Yo.
Hey, you got me looking.
Now Stitch and John want to run it. I'm feeling weak. My bad.
All I know is
Yeah, let me back up.
a little back.
Me and Bebo.
Let me the fuck.
Speed bump.
Wow. That's just
Oh.
I want to hear that shit spool when you hold it.
Alright, I'm about to send it on the new map. Car sounds crazy right now. Oh shit. Woo! Yeah, this shit is definitely punching. Yo, my god. Alright guys, if you've made it this far, you finally come to the end of the video. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So what I have here is one custom Twinnzilla hoodie I'm gonna be giving away. So you just tell me what size you are. I have a medium right here, but I can get any size you need. I'm gonna be giving away a hoodie, and I'm also gonna be giving away a set of 3-inch long tube intakes from Boosted 6 Auto. So in order to enter in this giveaway, comment, subscribe, and like the video. And that's it. And I'll just be doing a random raffle, and I'll announce the winner in the next video. But yeah, that's gonna be the giveaway. One free custom Twinnzilla hoodie, along with the set of 3-inch long tube intakes from Boosted 6 Auto. So I appreciate you guys for everything you do for me, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Reaching out with every